think of them. There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Get it, Fred. We'll run Breezy over. Is it scaring you, Freddie? Quester's not afraid of it. Black Taz, don't bark at him. Stop being rude. What you got, Quest? What you got, buddy? Huh? There you go. There you go. It's my soccer player. It's my soccer player. Breezy, enough. Get it, Fred. Go, Quest, go. Dolly thinks you're nuts. Is he nuts? Yeah, he's nuts. Dolly, don't be mean. Quest. Woo! Get it, buddy. There you go. All right, show him how. See? Leave it to the border collie. What do you got, bird? Get a bird. Get a bird. There you go. Get a bird. Get it. Get a bird. All right, Quest. Leave him alone. He's playing ball. Now quit. He doesn't want to play with you. He wants to play ball. Get out of the poop bag. Woo! There you go. There you go. Good boys. Leave the old man alone, you guys. He don't want to play with you guys. He wants to play ball with his mama. There he goes. Get it, buddy. Get it, Teddy. Get it, Teddy. Get it. There you go. You guys, he's playing ball. He's not playing with you guys. Somebody's going to get their butt kicked for digging holes. Taz. There you go, Taz. At least I know I can leave them out there and they won't eat them. I know you won't eat those, yeah. Good boy, Teddy. Good boy, Teddy. Come on, Teddy.